Wait, how can 1/2 turn into 2/4 and still mean the same thing? Did the fraction grow, or did we just change how we're looking at it? Equivalent fractions look different, but they represent the same amount. This is 1/2, and this is 2/4. They cover the same space. Here's how we do it. To create an equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. If you multiply the top, you must multiply the bottom. 1/2 times 2/2 equals 2/4. Here's why that works. 3/3 equals 1. Any fraction where the numerator and denominator are the same number equals 1. So when we multiply by 3/3, we're really multiplying by 1. And multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value. That's why the fraction stays equivalent. Now you try. Multiply 4/7 by 5/5. What do you get? Drop your answer in the comments and check out our quiz. Next time, I'll show you how to find equivalent fractions by dividing.